So yesterday I got a very special delivery, something I've been waiting for quite a while. Pretty much since I got this Canon 5D Mark IV, I've been kind of wanting the top level, pro level camera model, and with Canon releasing their brand new 1DX Mark III, I bit the bullet and got it. So let's take a look. I got the pack that includes the new memory card, a memory card reader, and just battery charger and everything. So let's take a look what's inside. So the first thing that's included is this new CF Express card reader, which is going to come in handy because none of my old card readers can read these new CF Express cards. A 64 gigabyte Express card. I'm probably going to get a larger one just because there's 2 slots and you never want to run out of memory when you're out shooting photos or videos, and with this new camera being able to shoot 6K video, the memory cards are definitely going to fill up a lot faster. And product that I've been waiting for 4 years, the 1DX Mark III. So I'm going to open the box up, kind of play around with it a little bit, and then give you my first impressions. Whoa. Your first peek at the 1DX Mark III. Wow. Alright, so quick comparison. This is the new CF Express card. It's quite small. It's pretty much just a little bit bigger than an SD card, but it can read and write a hell of a lot faster. And then this is what the old one is, the compact flash. It's an old CF card. Size comparison, it's like half the size. It's pretty nice that it's going to take up less space overall, and it has better performance as well. So I got the batteries all charged up for my brand new 1DX Mark III, and I'm gonna go shoot some photos to see how I feel about it. I already can tell I like it because I shoot a lot of my photos portrait, and having a second shutter button up here when the camera's tilted sideways for portraits. It's going to be a game changer for me. I'm really interested to see how the focus selector, the little LED joystick thing works, because that's something that I don't really use a whole lot on the Canon. I just set focus and then move back to where how I want it framed. But I'm interested to try it out, so let's go shoot some photos and see how this works. So a couple thoughts after briefly using the new 1DX Mark III. The autofocus is killer. It's very fast, very accurate. The new smart controller on the AF on button is really helpful for changing your focus point very quickly, and kind of got used to it pretty quick, so that's something that I was a little bit worried about. The continuous shooting mode is insane. 20 frames per second, like you're not going to miss anything no matter what. And it's really not that much heavier than the one that's shooting this, the 5D Mark IV. And so I'm excited to add this to my kit. I think it's going to maybe take a little bit of getting used to it is a little bit heavier and the size is a little bit bigger, but overall I think this is the camera of the future, and I'm excited to really dive in and use it a lot more. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm really excited to be using the new 1DX Mark III, and if you like this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. I got some really exciting ones coming very soon, and I want to know, what kind of camera do you currently use? So let me know down in the comments what kind of camera you use, and I'll catch you in the next vid.